Good morning there, strokers. We are about knee deep into getting the damn injectors out on this driver's side. We did the passenger side yesterday. And again, today we're on the driver's side, hoping for some freaking success, man. As you can see, the engine has already been ARP'd up with head bolts, so she is bulletproofed. We just gotta get her going back right, y'all. I tell you what, shit's been a pain in my ass. This truck ran better as a piece of shit when I first got it. It's like the better I've gotten it looking, it runs the worst the worst it's been running. Huh? How about that, yeah? Hey. Y'all pray for me, y'all. No, y'all pray for me.